Dear students, in this video I explain the difference between solids, liquids and gases. Difference between solids, liquids and gases. Okay, the first one, mass. Solids have mass, liquids have mass and gases have mass. The second one, space. Solids occupy space, liquids occupy space, gases also occupy space. The third one, shape. Solids have definite shape, liquids don't have definite shape, gases also don't have definite shape. Next, volume. Solids have definite volume, liquids have definite volume, but gases don't have definite volume. Compression. So solids cannot be compressed, solids cannot be pressed. Liquids can be compressed only to a very small extent. So gases are highly compressible. Next one is flow. Solids don't flow. Liquids flow from a higher level to a lower level. Gases flow in all directions. Next, distances. So in solids, the distances between the particles are very small. In liquids, the average distances between the particles are more than that in the solids and less than that in the gases. In gases, average distances between the particles are maximum. Now movement. So in solids, the minimum movement of particles is observed. Minimum or no movement or some minimum movement only. Coming to liquids, in liquids, movement of particles is more than that of the solids and less than that of the gases. Now in gases, maximum movement of particles is observed. Dear students, in the coming video I explain the interconversion of states of matter, and for all the class 6 chemistry IIT JEE foundation videos, please click the playlist link which is given in the description part of this video.